Hi everyone, welcome to online class St. Mary's Girls High School and College. Today I will discuss about the modifiers. In the previous class I have already discussed about some important things of modifiers. Today I will discuss about pre-modifiers of noun. Before the noun, what kind of modifiers we can use? Today I will discuss about this. We can use article. Before going to discussion, I want to tell you that you will get the clue in the bracket what kind of modifiers you have to use in the blank. But if you know about the pre-modifiers of noun or post-modifiers of noun, it will you will be benefited and you can answer the answer easily. So now you see at first we have to know that about article a and the demonstrative. In previous class also I have told you this is the most important thing for modifiers. These, that, those. These words you have to use as demonstrative, as singular this and that, and as plural this and those. Possessive my, your, his, her, their, our, its, him's, Koreans, etc. After these words you have to use one noun. Pronominal adjective. After this pronominal adjective you have to use one noun. My, your, his, her, their, our, its. Numeral 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to 100 1000. Before used before the noun, and quantifiers all both, some, any, no, every, each, either, neither, few, little, many, much. This kind of words you have to use as quantifiers. Adjective before before noun. Before noun, any kind of adjective you can use according to the passage. Present participle verb 1 plus ing, past participle verb 3. So these you can these you have to use as modifiers before the noun. Whatever you will see in the bracket as information, what kind of modifier you have to use, according to that you have to fill the blank. Now we will see about the post modifiers of noun. As post modifiers, we can use prepositional phrase, appositive, adverbs, past participle phrase, present participle phrase, infinitive. As prepositional phrase, preposition plus article plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. As example, I have written here the book on the table is about traveling. Here I have underlined on the table. So on is preposition and the is article and table is noun. Preposition, article plus noun, preposition, adverb plus noun, preposition, adjective plus noun. Like this way you have to use. Appositive, give more information about person, place or object. There is an example. Mr. Ali, a doctor, works hard for his parents. A doctor is an appositive here. Adverbs, some prepositions like above, below, behind works as adverb and modify the noun. Past participle phrase, verb 3 plus preposition plus noun. I have written here one example. The book written by Shakespeare is very interesting. Here written verb 3 and by is preposition, and Shakespeare is noun. Another one, present participle phrase, verb 1 plus ing plus present participle plus article plus noun. Here I have written here one example. The boy sleeping in the coat. Sleeping is verb 1 plus ing. In is a preposition and the is article. Coat is noun. Is healthy. Infinitive, we know infinitive is 2 plus verb 1. I have written here one example. That one is we read to learn. Here 2 is 2, infinitive 2, and plus verb 1 is learn. Now this one is clear to us what kind of things we can use before the noun and after the noun as modifiers. No more today. Thank you, students.